I am the headmaster of MDP Model High School, Pakundia, Kishorganj. Dear learners, I hope you are well. I am also well. In last class, I discussed degree. Today, I will discuss boys. Dear learners, boys শব্দের অর্থ হলো বাচ্চা। Do you know what is boys? Boys means the verb form that shows whether the subject acts or is acted on. I hope you understand what is boy. What is boys? Dear learners, before classes, certainly you have known the classification of boys. Dear learners, এরপরও আমি তোমাদেরকে বয়েজের শ্রেণী বিভাগ সম্বন্ধে আজকে বলছি। There are two kinds of boys. One is active and another is passive boys. One is active boys and another is passive boys. Can you tell what is active boys? Yes, the active boys means in which sentence the subject remain active. Now I am showing you an example. They will break the rule. It is an active voice. In this sentence, there is subject. In this sentence, there is active. অর্থাৎ they will break the rule. এই সেন্টেন্সটা হলো একটা অ্যাক্টিভ ভয়েস। এই সেন্টেন্সে যে সাবজেক্টটা সক্রিয়। Let's discuss another example. We left the house. আমরা বাড়িটি ত্যাগ করেছিলাম। In this sentence, the subject is we. In this sentence also, subject we is active. অর্থাৎ এই সেন্টেন্সেও ওই সাবজেক্টটা কি এখানে সক্রিয়। আমরা তো আগেই বলেছি যে যেই সেন্টেন্সে সাবজেক্ট সক্রিয় থাকে সেই সেন্টেন্সটা হলো active voice. Dear learners, I hope you have understood the active voice. Let's discuss another voice, passive voice. Can you tell anyone what is passive voice? Yes, passive voice means in which sentence the subject remain inactive. অর্থাৎ প্যাসিভ ভয়েস হলো যে সেন্টেন্সে সাবজেক্ট নিষ্ক্রিয় থাকে। Dear learners, I have written here two examples. Show the examples. The place was left by us. স্থানটি আমাদের দ্বারা ত্যাগ করা হলো। In this sentence, in this passive voice, the subject us is inactive. The subject us is inactive. Another example is the rule will be broken by them. In this sentence also, them subject is inactive. Have you understand active voice and passive voice? Yes. Dear learners, now I am now I am discuss how to an active voice change into passive voice. If you active voice change into passive voice, you have to follow some rules. I have written here some rules. Dear learners, active to passive. The first rule is active voice এর subject, passive voice এর object. Dear learners, at the changing of active to passive, you have to the object of passive voice you have to sit in as a subject. After that, you have to write some auxiliary verb according to tense. অর্থাৎ প্রথমেই অ্যাক্টিভ ভয়েসের অবজেক্টটাকে সাবজেক্ট হিসেবে বসাতে হবে। তারপর তোমাকে কি করতে হবে, টেন্স অনুযায়ী, অর্থাৎ you have to write auxiliary verbs according to tense. Tense অনুযায়ী auxiliary verb বসাতে হবে। My dear students, if the active voice is present indefinite, the auxiliary verb will be am, is, are. If the active voice is present continuous tense, you have to write as an auxiliary verb am be being, is be being, are be being. If the active voice is present perfect tense, the auxiliary verb will be have been, has been. If the active voice is present perfect continuous tense, the auxiliary verb will be have been, being, has been, being. If the active voice is past indefinite tense, the auxiliary verb will be was and were. If the sentence is present first continuous tense, the auxiliary verb will be was being, were being. If the active voice is past perfect tense, the auxiliary verb will be had been. If the sentence is past perfect continuous tense, the auxiliary verb will be had been. If the active voice is future indefinite tense, the auxiliary verb will be shall be and will be. If the active voice is future continuous tense, the auxiliary verbs will be shall be being and will be being. If the active voice is future perfect tense, the auxiliary verb will be shall have been and will have been. At the last, if the active voice is future perfect continuous tense, the auxiliary verb will be shall have been and will have been. Dear learners, now I have discussed according tense অনুযায়ী auxiliary verb. Now let's go. Third rules. First, participle of main verb. Using auxiliary verb, you have to write first participle of main verb. অর্থাৎ অ্যাক্টিভ থেকে প্যাসিভ করার সময় তোমাকে যে মূল ভার্বটা আছে সবসময় তার ফার্স্ট পার্টিসিপল ফর্ম বসাতে হবে। Let's discuss fourth rule, preposition. As a preposition, by, to, at, with and in. ডিয়ার লার্নার্স, প্রিপোজিশন হিসেবে তোমাদের কি কি বসাতে হবে? বাই, টু, এট, উইথ, ইন। Let's discuss the fifth rule. Active voice এর subject, passive voice এর object হবে। At the changing of active to passive, the last rule is the object of the object of active voice will be set as a subject. Dear learners, এত করে নিশ্চয়ই তোমরা ভয়েস অ্যাক্টিভ থেকে পেসিভ করার সময় যে পাঁচটা মূল রুল ছিল, এই পাঁচটা মূল রুল আমি আলোচনা করেছি। নাও I shall discuss some example depending on tense. I know him, dear learners. It is an active voice. This sentence is present indefinite tense. Now to change the sentence, at first you have to write him as a subject. Him. He plus auxiliary verb is because the sentence is present indefinite tense. So you have to write auxiliary verb is. He is plus the participle form of known. He is known plus as a preposition to, because if the main verb is no, you have to write as a preposition to. So I have written here as a preposition to plus the objective form of subject. The objective form of I is me. I hope you have understood the rules. Let's go another example. He saw the man. He saw the man. Can you answer the question? অর্থাৎ এই সেন্টেন্সটি হলো অ্যাক্টিভ ভয়েস। তোমরা কি কেউ এই অ্যাক্টিভ ভয়েসটাকে প্যাসিভ ভয়েসে রূপান্তরিত করতে পারবে? Yes, the answer is the man plus auxiliary verb. You have to write here an auxiliary verb. What will be the auxiliary verb? How will you select the auxiliary verb? Selecting the auxiliary verb, you have to see the tense. This sentence is past indefinite tense. Already I have told you, if the sentence is past indefinite tense, the auxiliary verb will be was and were. Since the sentence is past indefinite tense, the auxiliary verb will be was. The man was plus the first participle form of the principal verb. So, seen. The man was seen plus as a preposition by plus the objective form of the subject. Dear learners, in this sentence he is subject. The objective form will be him. Let's notice another example. They will do the work. Can anyone tell the answer? Please tell the answer. What will be the passive voice? What will be the passive voice? Yes, the answer will be the work will be done by them. Can anyone explain how the answer will be the work will be done by them? Thank you very much. In this sentence, the object is the work. The object is the work plus will be plus the participle form of main verb do, did, done. The work will be done plus as a preposition by plus the objective form of the subject. What is the objective form of the subject? In this sentence, there is subject. The objective form will be them. Dear learners, no more today. আজকে আমি যা এই পর্যন্ত তোমাদেরকে শিখিয়েছি, I hope you will practice in your free time. Thank you all.